Unit 2. The check-in. 2.2. Exercise 2.
Hello, Globe Hotel. Can I help you?
Yes, I have a reservation from the 18th to the 21st of July for a double room with bath and balcony.
And your name, please, sir.
Bouvier.
Could you spell that for me, please?
Yes, that's B-O-U-V-I-E-R. I would like to change the dates, if possible, from the 19th to the 22nd of July.
Hold the line a moment and I'll just check, Mr. Bouvier. But I think that's possible. From the 19th to the 22nd, did you say?
Yes, that's right.
I'm just checking. The 19th to the 22nd. Yes, that's fine, Mr. Bouvier. A double with bath and balcony for 3 nights from the 19th to the 22nd.
Thank you. So that's fixed up then?
Yes, it's done, Mr. Bouvier. We look forward to welcoming you on the 19th. Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.